You people must think I'm old, as in 1885, because who uses fountain pens nowadays? Besides me, I did not use them until 2 years ago. I will explain why throughout the video. I'm going to spread out the information, so you have to watch the whole video to find out. I know there are great writing tools you can use, but fountain pens is what I drifted to. I know I have to get this part over with. What is a fountain pen? It is a reusable pen with a reserve, either cartridge, eyedrop, converter. Yes, fountain pens are old, but the pens now are updated with modern technology and are better than the old pens. They are as good as any other tool. I grew up in school like everybody else, and they made me use like a pencil, mechanical pencil too. That was until they made us use those dumb computers. Pencils, yeah, for what you had to do in school, they are good enough. But when you are writing a novel, I find them not to be as good. Mechanical pencils are better than pencils, as in quality, but they are a pain in the butt. Having to load the mechanical pencil using the right type of lead, having the lead break on you. Pencils, snap, break, and I remember their tips will not sharpen straight. It'd be like cricket. You get all wood. Pencils were king. I used to use them for writing drafts too. I was unable to read it. Over time, the writing would get smudged, and I have a weak hand, so I could not read what I wrote. I had to try something else. Yes, I thought about ink, but it's permanent. I wasn't sure how I could do this, but then I realized, hey, I just do what they taught me in school. Whenever you make a typo, you cross through it with your pen with a straight line, and then you keep going. You continue writing about whatever you're writing. I remembered having a disposable fountain pen when I was like in high school, and I got more of those pens, but that's stupid to do. The dumb 1.9 billion pens end up in the dump landfill in America. I use those variety pens, or varsity pens. Yes, they are good, but I got thinking about the math. The cost of those just adds up, and it would have been more affordable for me to buy a $20 pen. Fountain pens are more complicated, but nibs don't snap. I could actually see the ink, even though I would have to cross things out and keep going. I found myself writing faster. That is one of the ways I was able to start writing 12 pages in a day because of ink. The speed alone made me confident in the pen. Yes, sometimes I have to stop writing because my pen is dry and I have to refill the pen, but compared to all the annoying things from pencils, mechanical pencils, it's nothing to worry about. Would I ever go back to a pencil? No. And also, fountain pens are fun. You can buy different pens, different ink, and there's always something new you can learn about fountain pens. And you can always upgrade, level up with them. Being cool people who know nothing about fountain pens will make comments on it like, ooh, what that neat pen, that fancy pen. They make you look smart because I've noticed that lots of successful people use fountain pens. I've watched some shows and I have seen some billionaires using a fountain pen, and that tells me I'm on to something. And also, the greatest thing about fountain pen is even the cheapest fountain pen is better quality than a pencil. I wrote that script with this $5 fountain pen. Yes, I've done a review on this pen. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers.